eBay's business policies are a great tool for eBay sellers. They offer a hassle-free way to increase efficiency. You can manage business policies in the Listings tab in Seller Hub. Here are 5 tips to help you boost efficiency using business policies. Tip 5. Manage payment options with payment policies. Business sellers already using managed payments can add the option Cash on Collection. Buyers generally like having more payment methods on offer. Tip 4. Add free shipping to your postage policies. We recommend you offer free postage because it's what most buyers expect. You can still select your dispatch time and your postal service after receiving payment. Tip 3. Use a longer returns period. 30 days returns is an e-commerce standard. We recommend you offer 60 days to boost buyer confidence even more. Tip 2. Name your business policies and add a description. You can even choose to set your business policies as default if they apply to most of your listings. This will make the listing process easier. Tip 1. Apply business policies to your existing listings. You can also add your business policies to your current listings. Any changes to your business policies are automatically applied to all the listings with those business policies. This means you can apply bulk changes quickly and easily. Business policies will save you time. So, remember our top tips and review your business policies in Seller Hub today. Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.